Ala mincho transfer kakra na fi.
Transfer is
Bra won che da nya yi on.
Afeni ya start here.
Okay.
Won kiti e wo wa mano ne the embesa me di nwa nkoma no pay. First of all, there is a certain trend that a lot of and I say yemfa say nansen coaches are omo excel wa mono ne amaye hu say e wo so odi akire and bakupa say e wo say o build a very very good squad, not just having a first 11 or winning bobo, but I was a squad no depth no a mudo na a quality enough. Our tata share say nyansa no when odi second to Pep ora your friend of your club and realize here when Oye na arguing say he will go toe to toe with a friend the Pep. Now, Obiti say Vengamo during the time and Alex Ferguson dominating Premier League, you know. Now Omodi aye kasa. But Alex Ferguson didn't care when the Wenger was ranting about Sika, yes, spending recruitment. Any players are boarding. Alex Ferguson was building the squad, rotating them to win whatever he needed to win. At the end of the day, he was successful. Enti, Saubasa will Premier League na. Saubasa will Spanish La Liga na. Ubasa will compete on all fronts. One thing abede the perfect CA. And he said, you really need to build a very, very good squad. Not just a first 11. Good, very, very good depth squad. I think that is one of the reasons why I am happy Orea friend Xavi Alonso is bringing Rodgers on board. Yeah, have this our discussion where be when Mikel Arteta brought Eze. I say Eze ni him so number 10. Or Crystal Palace. But over Arsenal team ni mo omo number 10 and omo captain Martin Odegaard enti Eze bebo he. But when the Chelsea fans are worried, say oh, now Rodgers here obey obetu Kopama na because Kopama na boy 10. Ono so boy 10 to obey. Have they forgotten about squad? Have they forgotten say Nancy Pame Oboka kanu we pra? Have they forgotten say to raise your team, say a bedroom pempen so be very competitive no. You need to introduce competition. Enti Nukre Palmer seems to be the poster boy for Chelsea. But Manentia says will be about 1 year and will be 2 no. It is very, very good for team. And so started say within the season, you know. Ni poster boy ni run a team bebre na or dance bembia. You have someone who can come in and bench him. If you realize say also me peja me modimbo mu a obi pejam. You can't even at a point in time flirt with other teams. O me say na me support this team we o. Ti me dey mo nya ambitious am dey me jana mako. Okay? You've brought someone. You either play wholeheartedly, 100% concentration, or you go. Someone will come and play. Coaches want control over those things. That is the reason why they will bring your competitor in the team. And it is so everywhere. Baby in your life, a juma BM. When one man is having some super domineering, I say, on na juma no betimi aye, so for is only where juma intimi nkoso. Say who penny form when is they will bring someone who will compete you, who will make you realize say only where juma no betimi aye. And see, I love whatever the intention of Uriah friend Zabi Alonso in bringing Abranti friend Rogers. He brings on board quality, depth, competition, any building squad and kasa. That is what you need to conquer. Now, Uber England crowd the Asadi required and can you debate him? Look at the number of competitions are England on ball. Your best players can play all the competitions. There are some times you will need to rotate from a private Bemni. It is very, very good. Rogers Abba, and I think that is one transfer at Chelsea. At least there's a statement. A back is our transfer now or more. Now, as soon as I make a pie and it's this any baby I'm a you can just take me off. And a FIFA be posti as a Abranti Uriah Feno de la Fronte. Ababe manager or the oldest to have won the World Cup. Na mihuyena emefe na maniaji. Now, even though he is the oldest, say Odene ba into the category of coaches or magic the World Cup, he is the newest baby. I'll be joining. But Rich, omo munim de la Fronte eni muni pa. Na min kabebre, I will share just this example. Then I move on to conclude on Asama Besameka. Unim said in 2017, time Argentina coach Scaloni, no coaching course, no. Not De La Fonte was his instructor. Na ochire na die wie no. Because of the bond between the teacher and the students. On one is convincing say the first days are or the ebeye attachments now or the besue human ombeye was Spain. And people did not know say time ana two teams in the working on the pitch for the FIFA World Cup final 2026 MetLife no. In the dugout, those two coaches, it was a straight fight between the teacher and the students. Now, good for the teacher, no. Winning at the end. Now you see, Rich, there are a lot of good people are omuni mejuma, but until they are given the opportunity, their name will never come on the forefront. And see, say De La Fonte achira nkofo adio, say waye adwuma ewo back since him for Spanish football because he has coached at the under 19 with Spain. Wa coach under 21, wa coach Olympics team, was Spain. But say trophies in any quantity, Rich, it doesn't give you the recognition. Say, yeah, the national team senior and Ankasa amount. Now they he is somebody who has gone through the rank, taught a lot of people, and now he is there. Now my conclusion here. You go through coaches now about World Cup. You look at their class and your pedigree. Then it tells you one thing, Rich. Enye enkomo foforo but ye gitu mo Ghana ha say ye coaches any coaching education one of your biggest problem all Ghana ha as the so-called football nation biggest one of the biggest problem as see currently coaches education na Ghana na nkasano eto de bia Rich ababoni ye boku ye chi anase ye boku ye nim because ye no when we became interested in football in Ghana reading the football history Rich as at the time of Nkrumah they were sponsoring potential coaches to go and do courses for Abochire to come and coach your national teams in your football or Mamua.
Nansen Crazy started be capacity building. It was piano so Munkona Mundi Diabros Funachi. Good.
So we've given various FAs at their level have given opportunities for exchange programs and Sanyo. But Rich, let's zoom into African Kwa. There were 10 African countries here called World Cup. I don't want to even bring Europeans. 10 African countries. South Africa, the Hugo Bruce called World Cup. Hugo Bruce ekuta UEFA Pro license, the highest coaching certificate on Sabetimiaka. Morocco, Eddie Mohamed Ouabi, and a buyer. Though of Morocco, ya won Belgium. Rich okutani UEFA Pro license as of 2018. And yes, our course, you know. Toronto kuta the highest certificate in coaching and a Odeba World Cup. No. Tunisia, Eddie Sabri Lamouchi, is our French coach, you know, on the Sukutani UEFA Pro license. Ivory Coast, Eddie MS Fair. Ubejedi say MS Fair, sa Oko France, the highest coaching certificates and on oye. It's one year course for Ivory Coast too. A French Football Federation, you know, national coaching course no more, no. And it's MS Fair. Or you qualified to coach in the French League 1. So be a qualified to coach in the French League 1. He's as good as any coach you get. Oh, we are singing now. You move to Hosan Hassan, Okuta CAF Pro license. Kever coach, you know. Brito, Okuta CAF license A. On a papetia or pet. And we have 2 coaches in Africa do a tournament here. Okuta CAF license A2. Second hoto. Petkovic of Algeria. Sebastian Sabari of DR Congo and a Ghana Carlos Kures and Yunakuta UEFA Pro license. The point I am making is say, Rich, say if this is the standard of coaching at the highest level, you must say, yeah, the Toto in Pempring Uba Ghana, yes, standard of your coaching now, yeah, or Ghana Hana. The reason why you need to in any local coach to appoint him at the Blasters level now. These are some of the big lessons we learn from the World Cup. Because Ghana we are not doing it in isolation. Say, as a young one, you have problem. And I say, yeah, football be how. Whatever you are doing as football in Ghana, Rich, the standard is that to make sure say World Cup, you are good enough or not. Now we coaches a World Cup. Now we almost standard ne omo prerequisite value omo de be adwuma no so a. Rich, na se de bia yet na ha ne discuss sports from an petu anwumre. Now we can't boast of say yes so your coaching standard no edru the world standard there. Then what are we doing? Because at the end of the day, the talents that you assemble, Sika would be run for company bibiano. Rich, you will need a very, very good coach to get the best out of the team. That is the reason why Yakobo World Cup by His Excellency John Dramani Mahama say, oh, me shake Ghana pan, komana, me man for need different team no. Na Carlos Kures by Busumika creating wonders be okoye na. And kayetimi convincing a tiny apa kobe boy. That is the president of the land recognizing somebody bringing top level coaching to the job. But yembisao as oman for a dear president sa Carlos Kure standard no ebe de na debi yes you betimi aka say Ghana ni waduru sa Carlos Kure some standard na ye dia ho beto say he can bring top level standard of coaching.
Because you bet 150,000, 200,000 the amount of coaches here. And you find any idea being coaches here didn't be
so it means
at least from Mumba or yet money 50 be 100 be grow but
you see which it means say stakeholders menupa aban any FA. They must find a way and collaborate and make sure say they are potential coaches are yemomo akonya enkusua de to that level.
Will be so fair.
Pro license, UEFA Pro license. We should be getting to that level. Na ye media no. Yembo onka chomu say we need that kind of level nibi. Rich, see a boho and young say in the next 5 years Ghana will be able to produce at least 3 UEFA Pro license coaches are. Ye dia humba to saka say oh, samoso go fa have na ba. yesu ye wo have rena wo ekronum some say mo kofa Carlos Kuresa yesu ye wo bu ekronum because at the end of the day rich coach him and say wo so wo ye football o mu de sebi
untimi nyiba konfirm
untimi nchuba konfirm
sure yentu aso insurance 4.5 na yemedi kotokone ha se enkomo no yie pa emfa ema mo kuma asasa na kwa start o mo